Hello guys. In today's video, we will show you how to replace the headlights on the Ford Super Duty truck from 2011 to 2016. Similar process can be used for other models' Super Duty trucks. This is an easy job, but there are a couple tricks that we want to show you through the video. The first thing we need to do is to remove the front grille. The grille is held by 4 10mm screws in the top. Remove these screws to release the top side of the grille. Your truck may have this rubber flat attached to the grille frame that needs to be removed. At the bottom, the grille is held by 5 metal clips. Pull the grille toward you, and looking down you can see the clips at the bottom. With a long screwdriver, push the taps down and you can see it just pops out. Once the clips are released, you can lift and remove the grille out of the way. The front light is held by 4 10mm screws. 2 are on the side, 1 is on the top, and the 4th is on the bottom. The top screw just needs to be loosened to be able to slide the light out. The screws in the side need to be taken out. You probably will need to use an extension to better lose the screws. The one under the light is the most challenging one. There is not too much room to insert your wrench. I used a 1/2-inch extension, inserted from the side to be able to reach the screw. With all 4 screws removed, you can pull the headlight assembly toward you to release a clip on the back. Now you have access to the bulb from the back. First, disconnect the wire by pressing the locking latch down and pulling the connector. To remove the bulb, just twist it to the left until it releases. It is recommended to use gloves to avoid touching the new bulb with bare hands. Insert the new bulb and turn it to the right until it locks. Connect the power harness by pushing the connector in until it locks. You can feel the click of the locking mechanism. I personally like to test the light to be sure that it is properly working before assembling everything back. It is time to mount the light back in position. You may need to give it a little push to properly align it and set it in place. I started with the screw under the light using the 1/2-inch extension. You may need to slide the socket with the screw on from the side of the light. Then I tighten the 2 lateral screws and the one in the top of the light. If one light fails, the second is at the end of its life. It is recommended to replace the bulbs in both headlights of your truck. At this point, you just follow the same procedure to remove the light on the other side of the truck. Starting by removing the 10mm screw under the light and the 2 on the side, and finally by losing the one in the top of the light. Pull the light out and disconnect the harness by pressing the latch of the locking mechanism. Turn the bulb to the left and take it out. Put the new bulb in by inserting it and turning it to the right. Put the light back in position and tighten the 4 10mm screws. Now, with the 2 light assemblies on, we can put the grille back in place. Once you get lined up, give a little push to snap back the clips into place. Tighten the 4 screws in the top. I like to get them started by hand and then just tighten down. And now the job is completed. We hope that you learned how to replace the headlights on your truck. Please like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.